Ellie from Edinburgh. Today I'm going to make my lovely famous cookies. So, the ingredients I'm going to put on the end, but just in case you want to write them down now, we have 175 grams of self-raising flour, 115 grams of muscavado sugar, 115 grams of butter, we need a whole bag of chocolate chips, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and a whole big tablespoon of golden syrup. And that's all by weighing on some scales. But if you haven't got any scales, don't worry. I've worked out the measurements in a cup. So at the end I'll show you what the measurements are in a cup instead of scales. Hope you enjoy. So first of all we're going to wash our hands. Put our aprons on and then we're going to preheat the oven. I've prepped the baking sheet with some baking paper and now I'm going to make the mixture. So, first on our ingredients are our butter and our sugar. So I've just got normal butter and I'm going to pour it into my bowl. And I've got some muscavado sugar that I'm going to pour with the butter. And we're going to mix until it's all combined, all squished together. Right, now that's all done, we're going to add the syrup and the vanilla. So we need 1 big tablespoon of golden syrup. And squish that until it's nice and full. Okay, and we're going to pour it into our mixture. And then we're going to have half a teaspoon of lovely vanilla. And we can pour that one in. And once that's done, we're going to give it all a mix again until that's all combined. Right, so now that's done, we're going to add the flour bit by bit. So that means we're going to pour a little bit in, give it a mix. Bit more in, give it a mix, try to get it everywhere like me, and then we can pour the rest in and mix it until it's all together. So now that's all mixed up, can you see? Right, we're going to add a whole bag of chocolate chips. Make sure you use every single one because they'll taste so yummy and chocolatey. Mix it all in until your mixture is covered in all of your chocolate chips. And then we're going to roll it out into a long sausage. Okay, now that your mixture has turned into this nice spotty dough with all of your chocolate chips, we're going to push it all together and make a long sausage. And the reason why I make a sausage shape is that if you want to eat it all today, you can cut it up and make it into even discs. And then when we put them into the tray, we'll scoop them up into balls and then they'll spread out and be amazing cookies. But if you want to save some for another day, then we can put it in the freezer and it will look and taste amazing when you cut it. Okay, so now I'm going to cut up all of the cookies that I want to make for today. So I'm going to cut into the disc, turn it into a ball and pop it on the tray. Spaced out all of the balls, I'm going to roll this back up with the cling film and pop it in the freezer for another day. for the oven. So you should be really careful and ask an adult to help you. And they will take about 10 minutes and they should be perfect. Okay, right now it's time to get the figures out of the oven. So I'm going to grab my oven gloves, but don't forget to ask your adult for help because they are very hot. Okay, so now we're going to leave them for about 5 minutes and then we're going to put them on a cooling rack to cool down. Okay, so they're all nice and cool now, so I'm going to put them onto my plate and then I'm going to serve them to my family. So don't forget, this is only half of your recipe and the rest of it's in the freezer. So if you want to use the frozen bit, you can take it out the freezer the day before and then they should be nice and soft and squidgy, and then you can cut them back up into your slices, put them on the baking tray and put them in the oven again. I hope you've enjoyed baking with me and I'll see you again soon. Bye!